All right, so what are we learning today? Today, we are going to review the expectations for the Civil War project. We are going to do this so that you can, in the end, have an amazing project that includes everything you're expected to do. And we are going to we're going to do this by looking at the assignment and looking at some example projects. Okay. Pictures of past, that's a typo, projects. All right, shout outs. Who's getting a shout out for their work on theme? The first shout out goes to Unai. Check out Unai's 2 strong themes and how he explains them. One lesson the character learned that we can apply to our lives is that you should fight for what is right and protect your loved ones. We learn this when Pink fights for African American rights and leaves his grandmother to protect her. Then the other theme is one lesson the characters learned that we can apply to our lives is that you should never give up and keep fighting. We learn this when Sei goes back to fighting even though he's scared and injured. Like, that's even a good theme that we could use now. Never give up and keep going. The other shout out goes to Maria. Check out her 2 lessons. One lesson the characters learned that we can also apply to our lives is that even when you're hurt, don't even give up, because Pink and Sei still continue to walk to safety even though they were tired and hurt. So I'm sure we could use that in our lives too. Like, even if you want to give up, keep going. One lesson the characters learn that we can also apply to our lives is that you don't have to be strong to be brave. You just have to try your best, because Sei still went to war even though he thought that he was afraid. Whoa, right? Both of these answers have strong explanations and they're themes that we can apply to our real lives. So what's one shout out you can give to Unai or Maria based on their work?